1 year ago today, I became your First Minister, and I made a promise to listen, to learn, and to deliver on the things that matter most to you. In those first weeks, I travelled across the whole of Wales, and you told me what's working, what's not, and where change is needed most. And you were absolutely clear. Wales needs action, not more words. And you asked me to concentrate on 4 big things: health, jobs, homes, and transport. So let's have a look at what we've achieved over the past year. Healthcare is the backbone of every community. We've invested record sums in the NHS, and it's paying off. We've provided thousands more treatments and employed thousands more health workers across the NHS in Wales, getting people the care they need faster. People waiting over 2 years for treatment have fallen by 50% over the past 12 months. We're putting women's health first with £3 million for a new research centre and women's health hubs coming to every health board by next spring. And we've led the way on social care, working with unions and employers to improve pay and conditions, because fairer care for staff means better care for everyone. A strong economy changes lives, and we've helped create over 40,000 jobs this Senedd term, backed Welsh businesses and secured one of the biggest rises in inward investment anywhere in the United Kingdom. In North East Wales, a £1 billion investment zone will drive economic growth and create 6,000 jobs in advanced manufacturing. And right across the country, regeneration projects are transforming town centres. We're backing our creative industries as well, with extra money, 3 times more investment in venues than a decade ago. A decent home means security, dignity, and a better life. We've unblocked land, backed new housing, and protected over 4,600 homes and businesses from flooding. And we've delivered for families. Every primary school pupil in Wales now gets a free school meal, saving families over £800 a year. And we've put over £250 million extra into schools to give every child the very best start. Wales is on the move, literally. The £2 billion Heads of the Valleys Road upgrade, the biggest project since devolution began, is now complete, speeding up journeys and unlocking new investment. We've fixed thousands of potholes and invested hundreds of millions of pounds to make our roads safer. On rail, most journeys are now on brand new trains, most of them made in Wales. And we're working with the UK government to build 5 new stations, and the North Wales Metro is delivering real improvements. And we've also invested £110 million to improve local transport with better buses, safer routes to school, £1 bus fares for young people, and more EV charging points. We're building a modern, joined-up system that works for everyone. This past year, I've stuck to the promise I made to listen, to learn, and to deliver. But we're not done yet. This is just the start, because there's still more to do, more voices to hear, and more communities to back. Let's keep going. Together, we can build a stronger, fairer, and more connected Wales.